Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. Doing some maintenance. You know me, a little lawn maintenance goes a long way. Decided to do something about the pots in the alley too. What do you think? I know it's just the front of the garage and the alley, but there's no excuses. Do the extra work, go the extra mile. Days later, this is where we're at. As you can see, even did a little touch up to this pot. No, it's not as significant as the other ones, but why not? So, let's take a look at the results of that fertilizer test I conducted a while back. Right away, you can tell the left side didn't do too good. Reason is, last year I put those seeds down. Remember that? I put those seeds down, and I'll leave a card somewhere in the video. Put those seeds down. I let the grass grow too tall. Moisture built up. When I cut it, there was an obvious fungus. So I can't blame that first fertilizer I used, that yellow bag crabgrass preventer. Over here, completely different. Looks a whole lot better. Didn't have to fight a fungus. You see the results. Here's a close-up. I love that sprinkler. Get that sprinkler, guys. Got it from menards. So I used the winterizer for the middle section. As you can see, worked wonders. Last but definitely not least, we did over here. I used the triple threat. Ran out of that. Turned out great, though. But what ended up happening, I used starter fertilizer. So we have triple threat, starter fertilizer, mixed into this last section. And again, this is what you want to see. This is exactly what you want to see. I just can't tell what's better, the middle or the last section. You know what? You guys be the judge. I did my part. Now it's up to you. I've been trying to avoid this, guys, but you know what? I want these two to twin again. And the only way I know how is to gut the right one like a fish. Now they're the same height. This is how it should be. Doesn't look weird anymore. And I use the Fiskars cutter here. Not Friskers, but Fiskars. You know what? Trimming your perennials before the winter hits is actually beneficial for your plants. So this will help them in the long run. Take note of this. You see my hydrangea now. Give it some time. Next year, it'll do a whole lot better. So what I'm going to do is do the same to the little lime hydrangeas and hope I get the results I'm looking for. Again, folks, there's nothing wrong with this. Cutting them down is actually helpful for your plants, and it definitely deters disease. You know what? See some yellow. That means this is getting too much water. What do you think? Well, in my opinion, things are back to normal. Got the rose bushes down. Well, at least the one on the right. Cut the hydrangeas. Cut down the lilies. Got the begonias going. Oh, yeah. All right. We are back. Why don't we stick to what we do best? Get the lawnmower, cut the grass. You know, I don't cut the whole thing at once, meaning I'll do half, cut it, and then I'll go to the other side and then cut that. Makes it easier. I almost forgot to trim the cardinals. This one is growing a little wild. The cardinal on the right is doing better. I think it's getting more sun. I think that's the reason. Things are winding down. You saw the before shot. Now this is somewhat of the after. Getting it together. I'm almost done. Don't forget the works trimmer edger. First is safety first. Always wear goggles. But yeah, get that works trimmer edger. I'm pulling up and removing weeds. You know I hate them. You know I can't stand weeds. Got rid of the vincas alongside of the fence too. It was just time to do so. I think the vincas took a hit during the summer too. They grew wild. The humidity affected them. In my opinion. Plant experts, why don't you chime in? But I didn't like how they grew this year. I think that's it. Don't forget those hanging baskets. They were the star of the show last season. Okay, what do you think? Leave your comments in the comments section. Thank you so much. Well, you know the motto. Wait a minute. I can't believe you guys were going to let me sign off without putting the projector stand back. That's like a sin around here, if you know what I mean. Now things are officially back to normal. Now I'm finished. Oh, yeah. We've got one more episode to go for the backyard playlist. You guys have been great, by the way. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns, too. Bye.